So some things may be a little different because mine's a 2009 and the one you've got is a 2008. But it should be roughly the same. So what you're gonna do, start out, got 2 connectors here. Just wanna take those off. Should just pop off. And there may be a zip tie on here that you need to cut. I got mine already undone. And there's also a screw clamp right there, which I believe is a 10 mil hex if you want to use that. And then undo the latches, which that part might not actually be necessary, but I find it easier to get this out of the way. Let's lay that over there for now. On the air filter, you got a bolt there and a bolt there. Those are both 10 millimeter. So I've got an extension here, and I just put these in hand tight just so I could show you. Just take that out. Take that out, and that should have the airbox free. Just kind of lift up out of there. There is a little prong there on the bottom which might try and grab on you. And then this right here is the piece that I want. There's a little clip right here. I've taken mine off several times, so that might be a little tougher. You might want a flathead screwdriver for that. And then there's a washer on top. I forgot to put that one back on when I put it together. And those will just slip right off. Then you've got a screw here, a bolt, excuse me, there. A bolt hiding back on the back side of this guy. Bolt right here, a bolt right here, bolt right here, and then a bolt right here, and also one holding this bracket on there, which I've lost. So that one might be an oddball size, I don't know. So I'm just gonna set this down real quick and take those 6 bolts off. Let's see if I can get it. You can see a little bit, I guess, there. And those are the 10 millimeter, 12 millimeter socket. And again, I just have these finger tight to show you. Okay, so that's those 6 bolts off. We should just, oh, and also there's a connector back here for the neutral switch, which you just push in on the back and pull, and that should come off. And then she's free. There are a couple of locator pins on there, which when I first took this off, they were kind of corroded, and I had to do some persuasion with a mallet. But it should come off with that. So this is the section that I'm after right here.